Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Tech Sida. I hope you all are doing great today. I have here with me a new package today. I'm really excited to unbox it for you. This is once again product from a brand called Noise. In fact, this is my second product that I'm unboxing. The previous one was Buds Pop. If you want to watch that video, the link is given below. So this is budget friendly AirPods, and this is how the product's packaging looks like. Well, this is quite similar to all other Noise products. Over here they have the tagline, listen to the noise within. In the front we have the photo of the actual product. The name is Earbuds Mini. Guys, this is one of the Noise brand's budget AirPods. It has full touch controls, it has one key reset, it has hypersync, and the most interesting thing is it has 14.2 sound driver. Alright guys, enough talk, let's unbox it, let's open the seal so that we can actually see the actual products. Alright, so this has a plastic film over it. Let me just cut open. Wow, this is always a good feeling to unwrap plastic from a brand new product. Let's keep this aside. Okay, here we have a seal over here, so we need to cut it. All right, let me just open the seal. There we go. All right, okay. All right, so by the way guys, do watch this video till the end because I have a surprise at the end of this video, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Let's keep this knife aside. Okay, now all we need to do is push it. There we go. So alright, it's quite tight. Okay, that's good thing that it is well snug. Okay, let's keep this aside, and here this is the inner packaging of the product. This opens up like this, like all other Noise packaging. Alright, we are greeted with a sticker up front. This is a sticker. Like these days, I don't know, most companies are giving stickers. Maybe this is for the marketing purpose, like Apple sends its Apple stickers, and Noise also has their stickers. You can use it to stick it if you want to show it off. Alright, we have these greeting cards from Noise, some personal text message which says they are grateful, and we have this warranty card. We can scan this code and get a warranty for your product. Let's keep this aside, and we also have a quick manual how to set up the Earbuds Mini. We will not be needing that. I'll be explaining all that in detail to you, so let's keep this aside as well. What else do we have? Okay, we have again user manual. This gives all the details. We do not usually read this. Let's keep this aside as well. And what else do we have? We have a film, okay, a soft cushion just to keep the product snug inside the box. And here we have the Noise Earbuds Mini, the product itself. It is quite well packed within this box. It is well snugged inside. And let me open it. All right, here it comes out. And what else do we have? Okay, we have a small box. Okay, I am sure this is the charging cable. Let me just see. There we are. This is the charging cable. It is USB type A to USB type C. A good thing that it is type C. Now this has already become industry standard. Okay, let's keep this box aside. We are not interested in this box anymore. We are interested in this product. Well, this Earbuds Mini is well wrapped in this plastic. That is a good touch, I believe. So let me just open this plastic wrap. Here we have the Earbuds Mini itself. Well, this looks quite similar to that of Apple AirPods. This is how it opens up, and immediately you can feel that this has a premium feel. It does not at all feel cheap. The magnet is quite strong. And let me take out this earbuds itself. Okay, here we have, so you can see this red film. This is to stop the AirPods from charging. Well, so we need to take this off, It's a good thing because some products they just have a transparent film, and many users they don't even see that film. But this one is red. Noise has done a good touch that people will immediately see that it needs to be removed. Well, I have removed the one. I will remove another one as well. So here we have. So let's remove this as well. Alright, the earbuds itself looks like this. You can see it looks quite sleek. The hole for the earpiece looks like this. At the bottom you can see the charging points. There are 2 charging points for each earbuds. On the other side you can see the glossy finish. It looks quite premium. We have these hole cuts for air and also for microphone. The earbuds looks really premium. So let's put this inside the AirPods for it to charge. You can immediately see the LED glowing. That means the earbuds has started to charge. Let's keep this aside for a while, and I would like to compare these AirPods with the most popular AirPods, of course, the AirPod itself, the Apple AirPod. So you can see here on my right I have my Apple AirPod, and on the left I have my Noise new AirBuds Mini. The leads looks quite similar and the sounds are quite clicky, like the same. The AirPods, Apple AirPods, it looks like this, and let me take the AirBuds Mini. You can see the size of it. Here Apple AirPods looks really long, and in fact it doesn't look nice like this of AirBuds Mini. I can pretty well confidently say that AirBuds Mini looks much better because it has shorter stem and it is definitely mini, as the name itself say. So here you can see Apple AirPods looks quite long in comparison to AirBuds Mini of Noise, and this is how the overall look of the earpiece looks. You can judge it for yourself that AirBuds Mini would definitely look well in your ears than Apple AirPods with its long stem. Well, let's keep this inside, and the Apple as well on the other side. The product overall size also, you can see Apple AirPods is quite bigger in comparison to AirBuds Mini. The thickness is quite similar, but I can see that AirBuds Mini is little bit thicker, maybe by few millimeters. If you have already watched the video this far, then do leave a comment according to you which one is better and why, and I will consider that as one of the criteria for the giveaway. The further details will be given at the end of the video. I'm pretty sure this comparison will help you understand the difference between these two products. Well, I must say that AirBuds Mini looks quite premium, almost similar to like an Apple AirPods. You can see even the magnetic lead is quite similar, as strong as Apple AirPods. So let me remind you one more thing, that as the name says, it's AirBuds Mini and the size looks quite small, but do not be deceived. This small AirPods has 14.2 mm sound drivers, which are quite strong and loud in comparison to many AirPods. The magnets that holds these AirPods are quite strong as well. You can see here I am keeping it upside down, and even shaking it does not fall. So that is definitely a good thing because it will keep your AirPods safe inside the pod itself. So it's a good thing. So I am really impressed by the magnet strength of this device. Okay, for the first time let's try connecting this to a device. All you need to do is open the lid of this AirBuds Mini, and it will be immediately detected by the device. Here you can see AirBuds Mini being detected by my iPad. So all I need to do is touch on it and it will be immediately connected. There you go. On the fourth option you can see AirBuds Mini connected. So if I close the lid, it will immediately be disconnected. Again, if I open the lid, it will again be connected. Again, if I close the lid, it will be automatically disconnected. Well, this is because the AirPods have touch sensitive sensors on its pods. So what happens is, when the device is not inside the ear, the device realizes that it is not in use, so it disconnects. Well, let's try this by giving the sensor the feel of the skin, so that it knows or it realizes that it is inside the ear and it starts functioning. So over here I am touching the sensor. You can see a left touch will decrease the volume, and the right touch on its right pod will increase the volume. Pretty easy. If I triple tap, it will activate Siri or Google Assistant depending on the device you have. You can see here I triple tap it and it immediately activates Siri in my iPad. There you go. So if I now want to pause the music, I have to double tap on the left hand side airport, and if I do the same on the right hand side, it will also do the same. So play and pause can be done by both the airports. That is double tap, play, double tap, stop. If I press long press on the left hand side airports, it will skip to the next song. If I do the same on the right hand side, it will skip to the previous song. So this is definitely a handy touch sensor that Noise has provided. This device is also IPX4 resistant. That means it is sweat proof. You can use it while you're doing gym, and it can withstand any kind of moisture or small droplets of rain. So this is definitely a good thing, and I'm pretty sure many joggers and gym lovers will definitely love this. The case itself comes with 300 mAh battery, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge. If you need to reset your device, all you need to do is press this button that you find at the bottom of your device for 6 seconds and your device will be reset. At the bottom on the right hand side, you also get a charging LED indicator. Well, if your device is fully charged or it is about 80% of charge, then the LED indicator will show green in color, and if it's below 10%, then that LED indicator will show red in color. The earbud itself has 1.5 hours of charging time, giving us 70 hours of standby time. Here you can see the footprint of the earpiece itself in the ear is quite small. That's why this is quite better than many other AirPods. And it supports Bluetooth 5.0. The bass is really good because it has 14.2 mm drivers. So guys, if you are a bass lover, this is the device you should go for. For your understanding, I have compared the case here with Realme earbuds and also with Apple AirPods, and you can clearly see their earbuds mini from Noise definitely is quite small and compact. So if you are looking for one such device, this is the one you should go and buy, and the link for it is in the description below. So guys, as I've already told you that I own an Apple AirPod and it is still in good working condition. So I have decided to give away these earbuds mini to any one of you lucky viewers. All you need to do is like, share and subscribe. And as soon as this video reaches 500 likes, I will choose one lucky winner from the comments and deliver it to you. So guys, if you have loved this video, then please give a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.